Alright, listen up, you beautiful fucks. Today we're tearing the DJI Osmo Action 4 a brand new asshole. This so-called action camera is the definition of overhyped bullshit. $249 for this half-baked ass brick. DJI should be arrested for daylight robbery. I've left a link to all the products mentioned in this video in the description below, so scroll down and check them out if you're interested. This little fucker is proof that you can polish a turd, slap a fancy logo on it, and still sell it to dumbasses who don't know better. Let's start with the design. Holy fuck, this camera looks like a fucking Lego brick had sex with a bar of soap. It's dull, boring, and feels cheap as shit. For $249, I want something that feels solid, not something I'm scared will blow away if I sneeze on it. This piece of ass plastic screams discount GoPro ripoff. The 1.3-inch sensor. DJI brags about this like they just cured fucking cancer. Who the fuck cares? That's like bragging your dick is the perfect average size. Cool story, bro. Nobody's impressed when the footage still looks like washed out ass. Impeccable image quality day or night. Fuck you. Daytime. It's fine if the sun is doing all the heavy lifting. Nighttime? Jesus Christ. It looks like a raccoon took the camera into a dumpster orgy and smeared shit on the lens. That's not low light performance. That's no light, no fucking hope performance. Color performance, 10-bit and D-Log M. In English, congrats, your video will look slightly less like dog shit if you're Steven Spielberg with a magic editing wand. For the rest of us normal fucks, it still looks like an old-ass Nokia trying to film a rave. Battery life. Oh my god. DJI claims 160 minutes non-stop recording. Sure, in their wet dreams, try filming in real 4K. This fucker dies faster than a mayfly on crack. 1 minute you're skating, the next minute this ass battery gives up like, nah fam, I'm out. And don't even get me started on the magnetic quick release. A fucking magnet. A fucking fridge magnet is what's holding your $249 camera. Who in the fuck thought that was a good idea? Take this bitch on a bike ride, hit one bump, and boom, your Osmo is flying into space. Elon Musk is probably scooping these things up with his satellites. Stabilization, DJI is hyping up 3 stabilization modes, 3 whole ways to still look like shaky ass. Every clip still looks like it was filmed during a fucking earthquake in a Taco Bell bathroom. DJI really had the balls to sell motion sickness as a feature. What a bunch of ass clowns. Alright, enough of this ass camera. Let's talk about a real motherfucker, the GoPro Hero 12 Black. This beast makes the Osmo look like a fucking Happy Meal toy. While DJI's camera is cosplaying as an action cam, the Hero 12 is the heavyweight champ, the king, the daddy of all cameras. 5.3K HDR video, not 4K, not some weak ass bullshit. 5.3 fucking K. That's so sharp it'll make your footage slice eyeballs. Every detail is crisp. Every frame looks like it's shot by God himself while drunk. 27 megapixel photos. That's not photography, that's pornography. Your selfies will look so good, people will assume you hired a personal photographer instead of using this badass little box. Stabilization, Hypersmooth 6.0. This shit is smoother than a freshly waxed ass. You could strap this to a fucking jet and crash it into a volcano, and the footage would still look steadier than DJI's sorry excuse for stabilization and the bundle. Holy fuck. GoPro throws in a 64GB card, a 50-piece accessory kit, and the Enduro battery. DJI gives you 1 weak ass battery and tells you to go fuck yourself. That's like showing up to a party with 1 warm beer while GoPro brings the entire fucking keg. Battery life. A real 90 minutes of glorious 5.3K video, not DJI's bullshit math where you get 160 minutes only if you film nothing but your own fucking disappointment. Oh, and Bluetooth audio. Pair your AirPods, use them as a mic, sound clean as a motherfucker. DJI? Nah, you're just yelling at your fridge magnet camera like a fucking caveman. GoPro's out here making you sound like a pro, while DJI's making you sound like you're shouting through an ass pipe. So there you go. DJI Osmo Action 4. An overpriced, shaky-ass fridge magnet piece of fuckery. The GoPro Hero 12 Black. A goddamn unit. A powerhouse. A camera so good it makes DJI look like Fisher-Price's My First Action Cam. Like, comment, and subscribe. Or don't. I don't give a flying fuck. But if you're tired of wasting your hard-earned money on wannabe GoPro bullshit, smash that fucking button.